Hi loves! So in this video we're going to go over how to set up your Google account. Google is the #1 search engine in the world, so when your potential clients go and they're searching for your photography service, you're going to want to show up on the first page of Google. There's a couple different ways to do that, so we're going to go over that throughout the course. Throughout this entire course there's going to be different sections that go over how to do that, but first, we're going to set up a Google account so that we can then set up a Google Plus account and you can get client reviews. Google rewards you for having, Google reviews. It rewards you for having a Google Plus page. It will reward you for having a Google AdWords account. All of these things that Google offers, if you use them, then that helps get you on the first page, along with SEO and some other things as well. But for now, we are going to go over just setting up your Google account and then setting up your Google Plus account. So let's get started. So you're going to want to go to google.com, and once you're there, you're going to click on Sign In. And then hit Add Account. And we're going to hit Create Account. Put in our name. We're going to choose our username, La Marie Boudoir Education. Create a password. Birthday. My birthday is actually tomorrow. Your mobile phone number. And your current email address and your location. And you're going to hit Next Step. Feel free to read all of this. It's probably good information to know, and then hit I agree. Now you'll be signed in and you can see you have a new email address. You can use that for an extra Instagram account or if you ever need it. So just hit continue. And then we are logged in. So to hit your profile up on the right and hit my account. Now this is where it gets a little bit confusing, but we're going to just go to my personal info and then we're going to verify our phone number. So just click verify now and it's going and hit get code. It's going to text you a code for you to put in there. And the reason we want to do this is just part of the verification process for Google so that they know that you are who you say you are. It will also be helpful when we are ready to add your business to Google Local so that clients can help find you better. So just go ahead and enter in that code and then hit continue. And you are verified. So just hit back. So that's all you need to do to set up your Google account for now. You can go up and click on your profile and change your profile picture if you want to. And then next we're going to get into setting up your Google Plus. So to do that, you just want to go up to the little squares that are next to your profile and click on Google Plus. Then you want to go over and click on Join Google Plus. Put your name, guess your birth date, create a profile. See, you can add a picture. So now I have my picture uploaded. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to go to my profile. And here you can customize your header. You can edit your about. everything looks good, click OK. Can do a header. So now we have a profile picture and a header picture. Next, we're going to want to set up your Google Plus page. So go up to Profile, hit Google Plus Profile, and then we're taken back here. So what we want to do is go over and click on the left where it says Google Plus for Brand. And this is going to take us to our Google, where we can create a Google Plus page. So click Create Google Plus Page. I'm going to do La Marie Boudoir Education. I'm going to hit Create. So when your brand's Google Plus page is enabled, fans can search for you and find your brand on Google Plus, which when they're searching your name, if you use the same business name on Google Plus as you do as your website, then that's going to help. There's going to be a lot more links for Google to pull up on that first page when people search. And also if your name has those keywords that they're searching for, that's going to bring it up too. So for example, if I was doing La Marie Boudoir Photography, and that was my domain name, my business name, and also my Google Plus page name, then when somebody searches for boudoir photography in the area that I'm in, Google is going to bring those up because all three of those have those keywords in it. So there will be multiple ways for people to find you. Your brand can post, comment, and share, and you can build your own collections and communities. And communities is big as well. So we're going to say enable. And I just realized that I misspelled boudoir. So hopefully it's going to let me go back and change that. Let's see, manage account, edit account info. There we go. And here you can change your picture and header again. So this is what gets confusing, is because you have a Google account, then you have a Google Plus account, and then you have a brand account. So this is why I'm doing videos, so that you guys can see what you're actually doing, because otherwise you would be in there and be totally lost. So you can do this. Upload a photo. So now I did a header and I did my profile picture. I try to be pretty consistent on all three different pages, the Google page, my Google Plus, and then my Google brand account. That way it just is seamless and everybody, when people see it, they recognize it. That's all we're going to go over for now. There's a lot of other things that you could probably get lost doing in Google, but I find it kind of overwhelming. So I'm going to teach you the basics, basically the 20% that's going to yield the 80% of the results. Then we are going to go over setting up a Google Plus community in the next video.